When the snow starts falling, what's underneath quickly disappears. Curbs, sidewalks, landscaping, drainage ditches, and driveway edges all become hidden hazards that can lead to costly damage. That's why professional contractors trust the KAGE Snow Stake System, a faster, smarter way to mark every property before winter arrives. The KAGE Snow Stake System is more than just a bundle of driveway markers. It's a complete productivity system featuring durable, flexible snow stakes, the KAGE Quiver, and the KAGE Pounder installation tool, all designed to help crews install more stakes in less time. The KAGE Quiver comfortably carries up to 120 snow stakes, keeping both hands free while eliminating constant trips back to the truck. That means installers stay productive and are less tempted to skip important marker locations that could result in expensive property damage later in the season. Installing stakes is just as efficient. Instead of struggling to force markers into the ground with your foot, the KAGE Pounder uses a heavy-duty 3-pound slide hammer to create straight, consistent holes, even in hard soil, gravel, compacted, and even frozen ground. Replaceable steel tips keep the tool working season after season, and are available in multiple diameters ranging from 1/4 to 3/8 inches to match your preferred stake size. Made from impact-resistant polypropylene, these bright orange markers feature a unique full-length slit that allows the stake to twist instead of permanently bending or kinking. Drive over them with your plow, drive over them with your truck, loader, or skid steer. Most of the time, they'll spring right back into position, ready to keep guiding operators through the toughest winter conditions. Even if they do break, just trim off the bad end. They're also reusable year after year, making them an economical alternative to traditional fiberglass markers. Better visibility means fewer damaged lawns, fewer broken curbs, fewer repair bills, and more confidence every time you clear snow. Whether you're marking residential driveways, commercial parking lots, sidewalks, or property entrances, the KAGE Snow Stake System helps your crews work faster while protecting your customers' property. Don't settle for ordinary driveway markers. Choose the complete system that's built for professional snow contractors. The KAGE Snow Stake System. Mark it once, plow with confidence all winter long. KAGE Innovation, stay grounded.